want to show you the difference of same model of the feed pellet machine and the fuel pellet machine. You see, this is the feed pellet machine, the press roller of 350, but this is the fuel pellet machine. The press, so you could say that's totally different, and only from the machine appearance you couldn't find anything, and the customers may say, wow, your price is high, so it's totally different. Okay. You see, it's the difference. That's the reason. Only this the strong one could bear the big pressure caused by the wood fuel. So even for this one, for the feed pellet, we make it bigger than some other factories. So you no need to worry about the quality. I want to show you the feed pellet press roller of the shaft, the main shaft. You see, it's not so strong, but this is the one of the fuel pellet mill. That's why it could press the wood pellet, even for the hardwood pellet. So you see, this one for the feed pellet is very small, but for the fuel pellet mill is very big. That's the difference. And only from the picture you couldn't know it's different, but actually the different. This is the 350 and the 40 and the 400 model of the fuel pellet, and I want to show you the thickness. You see the thickness, and it all through special treatment, so it's very hard and very easy to press the fuel pellet. So it's totally different machines with the feed pellet machine, and so I want to show you these details and hope you know it's better, much better. This one I want to show you the thickness of the fuel pellet machine. So you see the steel plate using is very thick, thickness very big. So here and here, you see, it's very strong. That's the reason why it's strong. Okay. This is the feed pellet machine. You see, the size is totally different. Okay, it's totally different. And the one I sent to you is the smallest fuel pellet machine. This is a feed pellet machine. So it's totally different. The big one, the press roller, also smaller. That's why it can't press the wood sawdust. So I want you could explain this to your customers, and I think you know that. And tell you one story. Some companies, they find us and let us change their feed pellet machine and pretend it is a fuel pellet machine and then sell to the customer. Your company, because of your the market seems good, and many companies they ban very bad things. So don't worry, and we want doing long business with you. We will never doing that. Here's the warehouse, and I want to show you. This is the control panel. This is the control panel. This side is the big one, and this side is the small one. I show you the small one. Even the smallest one of the machine, you see here, is still very high. Okay, it's still big. And that side here is the smallest one. Even the smallest one is bigger than the feed pellet machine, the middle size. And you see, it's one piece. Okay, all our design now is one piece. And this is the main shaft. You see, the main shaft is very big. It's the main shaft and the motor.